Yo!
What just happened?
On my way to pick up the boys. Yo!
Yo, yo.
You ready to shred some gnar?
Yes, sir. Got some sunshine.
Oh.
I don't know if you've heard about it, but it's the best energy drink in the market.
Heather,
Let's go.
you ready?
Dude,
Bro, you got your skis in there?
no idea. Yeah, they're collapsible. Okay, this will just sit on top of here.
We ready?
Yes, sir.
Searching for the banks of peace like
That's us.
a liver in hope in my soul.
We're sitting here in traffic in West Virginia. West Virginia!
Winter time's coming these days and shorter than my temper. I can't wrestle with my angels and they got a boot heel.
Oh man, we made it.
Hey, show them.
You want me to show them? So this is the microtel. And that is it being built over there.
On account of all the ways I've gone wrong.
I feel like you gotta start with the beds. Not too bad. Just a few poop stains and stuff. That's fine. Yeah, it's right there. That's good. Wake up with pink eye. Your microwave and your micro fridge and your microtel. Royce just went in the bathroom. That's probably the best part. Oh, he said we can come in.
Okay. Man, this is like cribs.
Yeah, this here is where the magic happens. Put this puppy on, turns the whole bathroom into a sauna, and just soaks everything.
This is what, PG or PG-13?
The toilet has a nice pink foam on the back. No idea if that's fungus or if that's cleaner, is what we hope.
You could use that as toothpaste.
Yeah.
Is that what you've been doing?
Yeah, I was just gonna give it a little wide sport ride.
You are running low.
Yeah, I'm running low.
Hey, there's a ladybug collection.
Hey.
It's 7 a.m.
Fresh pow pow for the slopes.
Powder's gonna be great for the slopes. The question is it gonna be great for our car? Shredder Heath. Gnar boy Brad. We got the one for Royce. Bomb Squad Royce.
Squad Royce.
And yours truly. There it is.
Carbon clay.
No words. Carbon clay. Carbon clay. I like the alliteration.
Got 8 degrees. Feels like -8.
Bro, you good? I was like, go Heath, and then I realized you're out of control.
Bouncing.
What just happened? Oh, dude, that was the lights. What just happened? Yeah, I'm recording. The lights just went out. Boys! How is that for night skiing?
My heart just dropped. Dude, I was worried about y'all in the woods. Like,
I got it. Let's go.
We're at Cracker Barrel, best restaurant in the world, I think. I think it's in the world.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you guys right now?
11, dude. I'm on 11.
Yeah, it's up there.
I just can't express it because I'm
It's like a 9 spot.
You know, you know. I'm not even full. That's the saddest part. What?
that's what it is.
We still have not been in a hot tub.
Not a single one.
Why else would you come to West Virginia?
Like, what else is there to
So,
do here?
so Brad and I are gonna go eat away our tears with some DQ.
If it's closed, then I don't really know what.
This will be the end of Clay Perry's YouTube channel.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
if,
shut
Dairy,
down.
if Dairy Queen is closed.
We're never coming back to West Virginia if that's the case.
It's close.
She literally dove behind the counter when we walked up.
Thanks for choosing Dairy Queen. May I take your order?
So the drive-thru's open, but she wouldn't acknowledge that we came to the door.
So sad.
We're having a rough evening. Our hotel hot tub shut down.
She didn't say a word.
She didn't say anything. That made it worse.
So
One thing went right tonight.
maybe.
Cheers.
Unless it sucks.
Cheers.